I wanted to see if I could turn this logo into a Lightbox sign, and I wasn't expecting this. So I knew that Maker World had, of course, Makerlab, and within it there was a program that lets you make light boxes. So I thought I would upload my logo, just an SVG, to the program and see what it would come up with. I wanted a sign that I could use in the background of my videos just to kind of advertise the channel, you know. So I uploaded it. It generated the file that I needed there, and here you're able to choose how many colors you want to be in the sign. I decided I just wanted 4. That way I wouldn't have to pause the print anywhere. I could just use my AMS to be able to print the whole thing. I think the entire project to print took about 2 hours. Well, maybe just the sign part. The stand and the back took a little bit longer. But once you get your colors selected, you can then move on to making adjustments. There's lots of different settings that you can fool with to make it look like you want. I really like the preview section here where you can look at what it will look like once you're done printing it. You want to go ahead and cut a rectangle in it so that you'll have somewhere for your lights the wire to come out of the back. You can also cut another hole in it to hang the sign if you want. I went ahead and added this diffuser layer because I read somewhere that the sign is extra fragile. The colors want to come apart if you drop it. So by adding that extra diffuser layer to the back, it makes it a little more solid. Here I'm adding a little bit of a stand for it. Once you do that, you can just export it. And I just took it and went ahead and sliced it in my bamboo slicer and let that printer get to work. I didn't want to wait around, so I went ahead and printed the stand and the back on my A1, let the sign print on my H2S. Once all the parts were complete, I could take them out of the printers and put them together. The whole process was really simple. Bamboo has done a really good job of making the process pretty streamlined. I bought this strip of LED lights on Amazon. I think it was like $5 or $6. It's 6 feet long. It's just white, no extra colors. You don't really need a different color inside of a sign like this. It just needs to be able to glow the colors that it's meant to glow, I guess. I guess you could put different colors if you wanted to, but I stuck with the white. Just added a little bit of super glue here and popped the sign on there, let it sit and dry. Overall, I was very, very happy with how this turned out. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe so you can see the future videos that I'll make. Thanks.